Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change viewer to editor in Google Docs mobile. Alright guys, let's get into it. First thing first, I'm going to open my Google Docs application in my mobile phone, and I'm going to select this file because I have shared this file to anyone as view only file, and I'm going to change the access from viewer to editor. So we can click on these three dots on the file, and we can click on manage access right here. And here, as you can see, anyone on the internet with the link can view this Google Docs file, and I'm going to change the access. If we want to change from viewer to editor, we just need to click on viewer, and then here we are going to select the editor. Okay, and now the permission has been updated, and now anyone with the link can edit this Google Docs file. And actually, there is another way to change from viewer to editor. You can open your Google Docs file, and you can click on this icon, and here you can click on the manage access. Okay, and you just need to do the same step as I told you before. You can click on change, and then here you just need to select the editor. Alright guys, and that's how we can change viewer to editor in Google Docs mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.